Hello everyone and welcome to this project video. In this lecture we want to create an awesome logo entitled Impossible Triangle. So without wasting any time, let's hop over into Illustrator. Okay everybody, at the first step we should create a 3D cube, but just with the 2D tools. I select the Polygon tool here, press the left key and change the number of the sides to 6 and press OK. And now select the selection tool and scale it up by holding the Alt key and Shift key. The amount of the stroke is too high. I select it. Yeah, that's okay. And now select the line tool and from the center hold the left key and create a line. Again from here and again from this anchor. Here you are. This is just like a cube. Now I select all of them, use the shape builder tool, separate this part, and this part. Now I have a cube with 3 sides. Okay, very good. And now I want to add a color. I create a little rectangle here. Use the gradients. One side are red and another one is in white. Rotate the gradient 90 degrees, okay. Disable the stroke. Select it, go to Object, press Expand, and specify to 20 objects, and press OK. Now I select this side, select the eyedropper tool, use this color. Select this side, eyedropper tool, select this one, and select this side, eyedropper tool, and select this color. Okay. Here you are. Now I have a 3D cube. I select it, press Command and G for grouping, or press right click and select group. Now again I select the Polygon tool, press left click and change the size to 3 and press OK. Scale it up, disable the fill color and add stroke color. And now I rotate it by holding the Shift, put this anchor into the anchor of my 3D cube. Now I select my cube, hold the Alt key and duplicate it to this place. And after that, without pressing any key, press Command and D or Ctrl D in Windows. I've duplicated it 5 times. And now change the size of my triangle. Put this anchor to the center of my 3D cube. And now again select this cube, hold the Alt key and move it here. And press Command and D. 3, 4, 5. Now I try to change the position of the center of my cube into this anchor. Okay, that's great. And now select this cube hold Alt key and duplicate it to here and press Command and D. Okay, that's enough. Okay, now for creating the impossible triangle, I want to arrange these cubes. At first, I delete this triangle that is helpful for me. And now I select this cube, go to Arrange and send it to back. Press right click, ungroup it. And now select this side and this side. Go to Arrange, bring to forward. Now select this cube, right click and ungroup it. Select this side, right click, arrange and bring to front. That's great. This is an impossible triangle. I delete this rectangle, select it, press Command and G for creating a group. And here you are. Let me add a background. Go to Arrange and send it to back. And lock this layer. I select my impossible triangle, go to Effect, and activate the drop shadow. And then press OK. Or you can again go to Stylize Drop Shadow, change the blur amount to 20, opacity is OK, and select the normal mode and press OK. Here you are. This is a final edition.